So before you start coding, make sure that you have at least one sprite on the stage and that it is selected over here in the sprite pane. Uh, Even if you have a sprite on the stage, sometimes you might accidentally click on some other uh, area of the interface, like over here. In that case, right now, as you can see, my sprite is not selected. The only way that you can tell that the sprite is selected, if you have a blue or purplish outline around it, and there's a garbage can on the top right corner of the icon in the sprite pane. So if it's like this and you start coding, you can bring in some of the blocks, like for example the events block. You can bring this. You won't see the ask block. You can see the ask block, but you won't be able to see other blocks like the say block in the looks category. It's not there. So now if I want to select the sprite, see what happens. The blocks that are added before I selected the sprite, they disappeared. So I cannot emphasize this enough. Always check that your sprite is selected, and if you have multiple sprites or more than one sprite on the sprite pane, then make sure you're only coding for one sprite at a time. Alright, each sprite has its own code. So that's it for this video.